What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. And I have here the Glas'r Easy Fit from Spigen, which is a tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It also works for the iPhone 11 XS Max. It is a 6.5-inch case-friendly screen protector that comes two in a pack. Now, this innovative auto-align installation kit for effortless application makes for an easy install. These screen protectors are case compatible, has an oleophobic coating for daily fingerprint resistance, and again, like I said, it is specifically designed for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and last year's iPhone XS Max. Now, this particular screen protector has installations and information on the back that you may find imperative. It does come with an installation video. If you follow that little box down there in the corner to the website, you can see a way to install it if you don't like the way I happen to install it. Now, you do get two of these kits, so just in case one crack, you have another one, and it also provides you with lens and screen cleaner for two separate kits. So I'm going to put one of those up and use for a later date. Now, it does have instructions on the back on how to install it, just in case you do not want to see the video. But again, I'm going to go ahead and follow through, clean it, and pretty much just try to go about it, installing it my way, because, you know, I've installed quite a few screen protectors and I tend to, you know, kind of do things, you know, the way I like to do it. So let's go right ahead and get this kit and everything all set up and ready for the install. So you got a squeegee also to wipe out any air pockets, and that will be needed at the end of the installation. But let me go ahead and get this taken care of. Also, you do get a nice cleaning cloth. You do have some dust stickers to remove any dust. So pull off this particular screen protector and let's get started. Now, after wiping it down with the alcohol pad, I do go back over it again with a sticker to remove any excess dust that may have came off from the actual alcohol swab. Now, what you want to do is peel back that first little sheet that will reveal the actual screen protector. Then all you do is just place the actual Glas'r Fit over the actual front display of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It will line up perfectly, and you see the little line down the middle. Now, I'm loosening up the edges right now so I can pull them off later, but you want to rub your fingers up and down that little orange stripe to help the screen protector adhere to this display. And you do that for about 30 seconds. Now, once you do that, you can go ahead and peel back that orange sticker right off of the actual case, the Glas'r Fit, and it should have your screen protector adhering completely to your screen. So you can actually see the glue spreading underneath when you pull that sticker out, but you will notice there are some air pockets there that I'm going to have to work out with a squeegee once I take that off. And right before you get to actually squeegeeing it off, there's a little film protector that you must kind of strip off to actually reveal the screen protector that's underneath. Then you can go ahead and get the squeegee and just try to work out the air bubbles from that point. Now, even after working with that squeegee, there's two small air pockets there, but they do go away. I've had this screen protector on for a day or so, and those air pockets don't even show up anymore. But overall, it's a pretty good install, very easy and really to the point, and I really like this, and it's a really good price for $11.99. So If you like this video, everybody, hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All the links for that will be down below. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. Spigen Glas'r Easy Fit. I'm out.